Hi Schlenker community, it's Dr. Michelle Barton here with the first construction update of the summer. If you've been wondering what's going on behind these doors, come join me, I'll give you a sneak peek. At the beginning of May, we were able to close off the front entrance and reroute through the APR on the side. And this helped give us 3 extra weeks for Harvey Builders to do extra construction. On the last day of school, movers were here starting at 2 p.m. to clear out the early childhood wing and get started on a very exciting new part of the project down that hallway. Throughout the summer, we'll be giving you updates so that you can see what's happening behind these doors. I want to say a huge thank you to everyone in our community for their incredible support. I want to say a thank you to our parents, our teachers, for being so flexible and so patient and understanding as we work to get this completed by the first day of school. I also want to say a huge thank you to Kirksey Architects, Harvey Builders, and the Mathis Group for their incredible work to get us to this point. We're so excited. It's going to look amazing when school starts.